Query successful. Try again without apps. Have you ever felt locked out of the global stock market? Globe showing Europe, Africa. Maybe you're looking for an easier, more flexible way to invest in big names like Tesla or Apple from the African continent, and you've heard the buzz about Kraken's xStocks. If you're asking, are Kraken xStocks available in Africa, you're tapping into a massive question about the future of global finance and accessibility. The short answer on Kraken xStocks in Africa. The good news is that Kraken's tokenized U.S. stocks and ETFs, known as xStocks, are generally targeted towards non-U.S. clients in a massive global rollout, and this includes Africa. Kraken has specifically mentioned in its announcements that these tokenized assets would be available to customers in Africa, Europe, Latin America, and Asia. This is a big deal because it bypasses some of the traditional barriers to entry for international stock trading. What are xStocks anyway? Before you jump in, it's important to understand what you're actually trading. xStocks are tokenized stocks and ETFs. Think of them as a crypto version of a traditional share. They are tokens. They are digital tokens on a blockchain, specifically designed to track the value of real-world assets, like a share of Apple stock. They are not traditional shares. When you buy an xStock, you are not buying the actual share on the New York Stock Exchange. You are buying a token that is backed by the real-world asset held in custody. Benefits: this tokenized structure is why they offer a few major advantages, particularly for African investors. 24/5 trading: you can often trade outside of the rigid U.S. stock market hours. Fractional ownership: you can buy a fraction of a single stock, making it much more accessible with a smaller budget. Fewer fees: they aim to cut down on the costs typically associated with local brokerage fees and international transfers. The important caveats. While the general answer is yes, there are two crucial points you need to be aware of. 1. Phased rollout and geo-restrictions. Kraken announced a phased rollout, meaning availability expands over time. While the continent as a whole is targeted, the service may not be instantly available in every single African country due to varying regulatory landscapes. The key is to check the Kraken platform itself for your specific region, as they apply geo-restrictions. 2. Kraken's general availability. It's important to differentiate between xStocks being available and the Kraken exchange itself being available. Kraken offers a vast array of services, and its general presence can vary. For example, some reports suggest Kraken's full platform is not currently available to users in South Africa, while other African nations might have full access. Always confirm your country's status on Kraken's support pages for both their main exchange and their xStocks offering. In short, if you are located in an eligible African country, xStocks unlock a whole new, flexible way to access Wall Street from your phone or desktop. This is a crucial step towards democratizing finance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.